Hello teacher, good evening. My name is Giovanni Cruspilla. In this short video, I am going to explain about how to analyze a course book selection format and curriculum theory application, or Magister Alba Vargas Aritama, and the subject is Curriculum Foundation Principle and Issues. Let's start. A commercial textbook for teaching English foreign language. The course book selection, the title is English File Intermediate, 4th edition by Oxford University Press. The lesson analyzed Unit 5A, Family Secret. A report by Nation ETAL 2020, a textbook must have the next aspects. The first one is structure and techniques. In the structure, the student will have warm-up activity, listening, reading, grammar, speaking activity, and writing tasks. The idea is that the student knows about the topic and discussion about it, right? So the student will listening and edu and will answer each question. In the reading activities, the student will learn about the new vocabulary. In the grammar focus, they will focus in the relative clauses. In the speaking activity, they will have a group in order to discuss about the topic. In the writing task, they will have to write in a piece of paper about all the exercise. So in the techniques, the student will incorporate all their skills: speaking, reading, listening, and writing. Remember that the old material are very authentical because they are connected to the real situations. In the syllabus alignment, well, according to Graves 2000, the lesson aligns with the syllabus by covering different skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening, right? So, in my case, the grammar and vocabulary are very relevant and important because they measure the progression of each student. In the content, the topic, family relationships and secrets, grammar, relative clauses, the vocabulary, family related terms and phrases, and the skill focus in listening, reading comprehension, speaking fluently, and writing, right? So in the key learning principle, I have writing four important principles. For example, input, output, noticing, and interaction hypothesis, right? In the input hypothesis, it provides a good comprehensible listening activities. The idea is to encourage each student in order to develop their skill. But the most important part is to catch their attention through to vocabulary, grammar, and different activities, right? So in the significance constraint, well, the student will have a limit for the class because they have to make a deep exploration of each question. So the largest classes uh, may cause a great impact in their feedback, right? So the idea is to put different activities in order to the student develop their comprehension, right? So the material selection, well, the textbook main course material, well, each provide a good structure. I have supplementary materials, for example, CDs, video, handouts, and whiteboard activities. So all these material, as I told you before, they are connected with the real situation. The teacher can adapt all this material in order to satisfy or find all needs, right? So the idea is to put additional activities in order to measure the progression of each student. The research as conducted by Richard 2017, the select of this material is very important because we will achieve all the objectives, but it's necessary to consider the class, the topic, the student's age, and the level. To sum up, well, the teacher can adapt the lesson to meet all the specific needs of each student. Remember that the teacher play important role in the learning process. This is my reference list. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you very much.